I have taken a position just now in this particular VEDL. First, I thought I will take an observation from 148.20 itself, but looking at the Nifty has come down little bit down. So yeah, 0.5% it has come down. So therefore, I took advantage from right from down itself. Considering after some time when Nifty recovers, it will go up. All right. So that is the idea. So now Nifty came down a little bit, right? So considering that the stocks also came down, so I took advantage here only, so that when Nifty breaks out, I will get an advantage on these particular stocks also. So now so my buy price is 147.75. I took as a cover order, so it took around that value. 0.3% is how much? 15 paisa. 45 paisa is a target. So 45 paisa target means 148.20. So 148.20 is the highest. So that is only my target actually, 0.3%. So if you see, Nifty has reversed, and now for this particular time frame, yeah, even the stock had to go up to reversal 146.64. See, if you see Nifty reversed, so the stocks also had an effect. But considering VEDL is a top sector, and considering it is in the top as of now, yes, there will be a negative impact on this also, because market is going down. Even this will be going down a bit, but yeah, end of the day, the duty of this particular stock is to go up until and unless the market reverses very badly today. So the market looks like it's just coming down a little bit more. If you see, it's almost like a double top it has created. If you see, like, exactly not sharp tops. If you see, somewhere 61 and 62, somewhere here it has created a resistance, and here somewhere here looks like a support line. So you would have seen my double top video, right? So theory, so as per theory, it says that people normally, if it breaks these levels, they short it, and around at least from here to here, how much ever it is, more average they will take, or else this is a support. This is a strong support. If it breaks, it goes down, or it turns, and it can become triple top also, or else it breaks and goes down. Target will be from here to here. So that's how they consider it. Now I don't want this to become a double top formation, considering I am into the stock. Anyways, my stock is coming up because the stock is bullish. The market is pushing it down, but the stock is bullish. But I don't want it to create a double top like how Nifty did. I want it to break and go the levels again. So it has just come near my buy level as of now. $147.60. If you see Nifty, slowly it is going again near the resistance area, that is for a triple top also, or either it can break the resistance and go top also. All I want is it to break and go, not go near the resistance somewhere and then again come back to the support line somewhere. So not that. Same way our stock also will behave the same almost. If you see, it went up and again went up, acting like a resistance. Above it came down. I don't want it to go further down to this levels. I want it to again go up from these level itself, along with Nifty when it is recovering. So it can take a turn. That is one advantage for me. But currently the stock is not taking a turn. Nifty is going up. Come on. 11350. If you see, small resistance is getting created here. As of now, it has to break that. If you see here, this area here, it had reversed, so I don't want this area to get a level of resistance as of now, as per this chart, as of today's trend. My stock has already come down, like I told you, when this is creating like a double top, just like how Nifty created. I don't want it to break the level and go down. It has to take a support somewhere here almost, and then go top again. Let's say Nifty metal, whether it's going up or coming down. If you see Nifty metal is coming down, the sector is coming down, therefore VEDL is part of this sector, so it is also having a negative impact. It needs to take a support somewhere and take a turn. So when Nifty metal takes a turn towards the upside, stocks will get that advantage. Well, if you see, a regular Nifty 50 is recovering. It has to break that 50 level first and go to the next resistance. Whereas Nifty metal is taking a small turn, little bit more of support. See, morning metal was already, RSI is above, already in like overbought zone, and later on slowly sellers have come and brought it up to 43 or 40 levels also, because people who would have bought or would have sold also, because too many buyers, sellers will come as per theory, and they have proved it also. Now whether they will bring it to zero or the stock is still bullish, now some buyers will also take it above a little bit. That's how these moves. So slowly this should get the advantage, waiting for that advantage. Metal is moving now, you start moving little bit at least. Slowly he's moving. Somewhere near my buy level only resistance has got created, if you see. So finally, I exited the stock around 147.05. So I took it around 147.75 and I exited off at 147.05, considering the market went down, considering the various news and events which are going to come in the market. So the market, if you see the market reverse, so that's what I was telling in Telegram group. The levels which we had mentioned, the breakouts didn't happen. So that's a good sign for us beginners. When you go for breakouts, you will be safe with these reversals. And now when so if you see the market reversed, all right, so market went against and I got to know, I was in VDL stock, so I got to know that therefore it's because of the events which are going on in the market. Now end of the day, what happens, one advantage what happens is that people try to do BTST, because after the market hours meeting is going to happen, right, between our PM and the Chinese leader. So the China and India meet is there today, leader meet is there today. So considering that, what will happen, there will be sometime a good news also, bad news also, but most of the time you see good news will happen, some agreements will be there. So therefore the stocks will recover. Okay, that is BTST. They will buy today, sell tomorrow. That is on Monday. If on a trading day they will sell, considering the good news will take the market up or gap up will be there, they can book profits. Now keeping that logic which I had faced before, so I adjusted my stop loss, because if you see VDL went fully down. Okay, so VDL went morning, it was here. So it didn't break our levels for what we were observing in our Telegram groups, if you see. So we were like, wait for the breakouts only, because reversals can happen. So 148.20, 100.25, 32.80, all this didn't break because we were discussing about the same, that market reversed and breakouts will help all the beginners. So same way, when the market reversed, I could have left my stop loss to hit, but understanding that the stock is bullish, okay, and the market is reacting based on the news happening, I had the previous experience of the same situation. So keeping that in mind, I waited for a longer time. Now the stock went against me very badly up to 141, and it's not that this stock, many other stocks also went up. Later on, stocks got started recovering, and I realized market is coming back again to green. So that's when I waited further, and finally it came up to my point, that is over here. Okay, it came up to 147.50. so as I have taken MIS order, I had to exit by 30, right? So here only I exited at 147.05, cover order sold. Later part of the day, like I told you, BTST, right, people buy at the end of the day. So as I predicted only, stock went exactly to my buy point, 20 paisa more than that. It went up to that level and it closed anyways over here. Alright, so keeping that in mind, I reduced my loss today, considering BTST, and there's some good news which is gonna come. Considering the meat is there, some good news will come. People will be bullish on the stock, so they will buy today and they will sell on the next day. So keeping that logic, I recovered and finally booked a small loss, that is 70 paisa. So I took it around 147.05. So 70 paisa, that is 0.5% loss I booked on this particular, for almost 3% against me. It had gone 3% against me, but the logic and the news and research which I did during this period helped me to understand that yes, it can recover, the market will recover automatically, the bullish stock also will recover. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. Please do hit that like and share this video. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.